Drowning in a sea of old Aisensy chats? Let's throw you a lifeline and show you how to delete those outdated conversations and reclaim valuable digital space. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll typically find yourself on the main dashboard. Navigate to your inbox. That's where all the chat magic happens and where we'll be doing our decluttering. For individual chat deletion, open the conversation you want to say goodbye to. Look for the three dots or an options menu, usually located at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu should appear. Scroll down and find the delete or remove option. Click on that, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm, and poof, that chat is gone. Now, for bulk deletion, the time saver. In your inbox view, look for checkboxes or selection circles next to each chat. Select all the conversations you want to delete. Once you've selected your targets, find the delete button, often represented by a trash can icon. Click it. Again, you'll likely be asked to confirm, so double-check your selections before committing. Remember, deleting chats permanently removes them, so be absolutely sure before you click confirm. Regularly deleting old chats not only frees up storage space, it also enhances data privacy and improves the overall performance of your Aisensy account. Happy decluttering!